I don't know. We lost. Huh.
Can have a look, thank you.
Yeah, sure. Let me know if you can help the sizes or getting anything down.
Yep, great, thank you.
Sort of a few t-shirts. This is cute. I like this jumpsuit thing. It's like a little thing at the back too.
Alright, so you need to go anywhere else, guys.
Okay guys, so to get cheap clothes, you need to look at the sales because I only have $50 with me today. So I'm trying to spend as much as I can, get as much as I can with that money. So we're in the shops with all the sales. Most of them aren't like great, so we're gonna go try and find somewhere else, which I don't exactly know exactly where the shop is, and Mum just stood on my shoe. Okay, bye. Hey, it's the rip-off Gucci store. It was here last time. Again.
Go there.
Yeah. It's like $100 for a bag Gucci shirt. Everyone's looking at me because of my shoes. My clothing, I'm handsome. It's cheap stuff, but I don't want to include it in any clothes. Okay, we're here at the sales, so you can see they're really pretty and stuff like that. But like, I don't know what I want to get. So I like these things, but these aren't on sale. I was only going these all day. Anyway, I've seen really cool stuff, so I'm gonna go look it out, and then I'll be back. Bye. So I'm back, and now it's just $25. Oh, yeah, my socks. Anyway, so I got this, and you can see it's a sale in the morning, so it's in my mom. I don't know, you're shouting. I don't know if you came enough to say really loud. Yeah, so 2 items for $25. And Mum's looking at me wondering for something. Let's go on through. I'm back. Hi guys, so I'm back in the car right now. We just finished our like 10-minute shop because we couldn't find any of the parks that were longer. Sorry if you couldn't hear me talking now. Just didn't really want to be judged by talking to my phone, which is like 10 years old anyway. Society is great. Anyway, so we're back in the car. We're gonna go to the hotel and stuff. Bean, shut up. She's laughing at me because I don't know why. Why are you laughing at me anyway? Okay, so I'm drinking my kombucha here. Turns out it has alcohol in it, and I didn't know this. There's something about spiritual. So I'm becoming spiritual. I love tea and kombucha. I don't drink too much soft drink. I have sugar-free stuff because my skin started getting really bad, and like I just didn't like having too much takeaway stuff because it was just getting really gross, and like I was like sick of it. So now I'm just not having that much anymore because I'm sick of it, and like I really don't want to live that lifestyle anymore. Do you, Bean? Take the next ride onto Wellington Parade South. Oh no. I'm just going the wrong way. So anyway, we're going back to the hotel now, I think. Anyway, and we're going shopping for food.
No, I left the kids more at home.
Continue for 1 kilometre.
What? Mum left out unalcoholic stuff. Wasn't it in your on your bed? I mean, on your couch thing? No, but I think they were talking about my kombucha thing. This thing says it has 0.5% alcohol. No, it says contains no more than 0.5% alcohol by volume due to the natural fermentation process. What's that mean?
1.5.
0.5%.
Ah, that's kind of like if I cook with wine or whatever.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm not going to get in trouble now because it's not that much alcohol. So, yeah. Anyway, so yeah, we're going to a hotel. Or Coles, don't know yet.
Mind you, Peytie wouldn't let you drive after you drank it.
Yeah, but we're not driving, so. Well, I'm not driving, so. Okay, well, yeah.
Seems like a long way out.
In 300 metres, use the right lane to turn right onto Punk Road, State Route 29.
Right on what?
That's cool. Okay.
Filled up. You went the wrong way.
Oh.
Must have been the wrong
You're just a bad director, Bean. Okay. Wait, how much did this come up on the thing?
In 200 meters, turn right
BAC.
onto Olympic Boulevard, State Route 20.
You tell me earlier, lady.
How much would this come up on the alcohol concentration thing, Mum?
0.05. It'd probably be over the standard.
Wait, really? Is that what it come up with, Mum?
What?
If you had to do a breath test of this thing, how much would it give you?
I don't know. But you're supposed to be 000, so if you come up 0.01 or anything like that, you're in trouble.
Oh, well, I didn't know it had alcohol in it. I was just reading the back of it, and it's like, doesn't contain more than it. The 40-bit show I can butcher is fermented and full of natural probiotic goodness. I didn't know that. I thought it was just like a yoga drink, so I got some.
Yeah, your drinks are like high.
No, I thought they were like tea stuff. I thought it was like a tea drink, so I got that. Yeah. Okay.
This is my first time having alcohol, Mum. Actually, no, it's not. I drank rum.
Ew.
Rum? Rum balls?
Oh, that was disgusting. One time we got rum balls that were gluten-free and had actual rum in it, and it was really bad. Anyway, I'll check back with you later after we go get our shopping and stuff. Bye. Hi guys, so we're back at the hotel. Not the best we've been in from their company. It's kind of like when you go to a Mac store and they have bad range of shades. And like literally, let's just steal the camera. Literally the view is pretty horrible. Ow! There's a window there. Thanks for trying, you mean bean.
I'm so pissed off.
Mum, that's bad language. Okay, so
$800 for a filming of men going up and down it. Just what I need.
there's such bad lighting in here.
I told you to break one of the lights so I can feel like okay.
Just complain about the dust everywhere. Okay, so guys, hi. We're back in the hotel now, and we're not like, Mum's stolen half of the Mum's room's bigger than the lounge room and the kitchen all together. Like, look at this. Hang on, I'm gonna have to come back in a second. Be right. Okay, guys, so we're back from we went to go get stuff in the car. We're back from that, and I've changed, put my hair up, all that stuff. I haven't got my makeup up yet because I'm pretty sure Mum said we're not going on a shoot, but she's gonna get tired and hungry, so we're probably gonna go up the street a bit. But like, shh, don't tell her. Okay, so I've packed my stuff, and I'm gonna edit this video down there right now. Which I can't see. Okay, this is like the room. That's my bed. This is no, that's not even my bed. That's not even my bed at all. Okay, this is my clothes. This is my outfit. So, this is for when we go shopping. This is for when we go to Chadston. This is for the beach. This is for a photo. This is the new clothes I bought today. And these are the accessories I have. Oh, and these are my other accessories. These are my shoes. So, you can see I'm a bit of a overpacker, I guess. Anyway, let's show you makeup. So, we have this bag, which is like brushes and stuff like that. And this is just like the rest of it. It's really, really heavy though. My sister was like, what the hell's in this? I'm like, oh, that's all the makeup. So, you want to come outside and we can have a look at the view. Ow, crap, that hurt. Okay, I'm really scared I'm going to drive my friend, but that's fine. Looking sexy. I also saw a sign today that was like, pizza is sexy. And I was like, what? I know that. You also see people in the pool from here, but like, I don't, and there's people in the pool. I went to go check that out before. I see people there, and we're like, no thanks. Bye. So no one's out though, and that's really depressing. So you can't watch people in the pool. Anyway, the rest of the fam is, I don't know where everyone else is. Hi Mum, how are you going? Okay. Well, Bean's in the toilet, so that's always exciting. Bean, say hello. Hello. This is Bean. Again. You should know Bean by now. She just did her own braids. She looks a bit boho now. There's actually a city, like a town on the way here. Have you never noticed that? Is there just a town called Boho?
No, I didn't notice that.
Okay, give us a look at your braids. Turn around.
No. That sucks, so no.
Do
But
it.
like, then I forgot to pack hair ties, so I had to steal Peyton's hair tie. And my
She
hair
complained that it was the wrong colour. I only love you so much. Anyway, we're gonna go to the gym eventually. So,
What?
you going to the gym eventually?
that's
Well,
not
that's her
bad.
outfit. Compliments
Cheating
of
yours.
me. So,
I saw
yeah.
top.
so yeah, this is our
There's no soap, so I'm just using this rosemary stuff. It's like
that
crap.
much stuff. Who doesn't surprise soap? And that's also
Greasy.
soap.
What's your laser in it? Just put some.
Oh, they have the bag. And don't they have like a shower cup too? Whatever, we don't own. Mum's not answering me too. Okay. Well, I'll see you tomorrow, maybe. If my phone, yeah. Oh yeah. Well, I'll see you when we go to the gym. If we go. And if my phone isn't dead by then. That was good lighting. Let me come back there. If the gym, Bean,
That
hi.
was really good.
Is that this lighting?
Yes, it's actually like 5 o'clock, isn't it, Nelly?
It is
It's not even golden light, I think. It's like.
No, it's not really, but like, damn.
Ready, let's
girl.
just take that little